Snowcast, winter storm expected to bring more heavy snow to Metro Vancouver. A snowfall warning remains in place for Metro Vancouver, as up to 15 centimeters of snow is expected to fall across the region. Flurries started falling in the Lower Mainland around 11 p.m. on Tuesday night, increasing to heavier snow heading into Wednesday morning. Environment Canada says a low-pressure system will continue to bring heavy snowfall across the Lower Mainland through the afternoon. An additional 10 to 15 centimeters of snow is expected to fall until about 5 p.m. A high tide combined with low pressure may also produce some minor flooding in low-lying areas, according to an additional weather note from the department. There is also a threat of freezing rain tonight in southern parts of the region near the United States border. The BC Ministry of Transportation says the inclement weather could pose a hazard to travel and outdoor activities, and people should stay home if possible. Environment Canada cautions that visibility may be suddenly reduced at times in heavy snow. Drivers may find it difficult to navigate across highways, roads, walkways, and parking lots due to accumulating snow. With the risk of freezing rain, people should avoid travel by vehicle on Tuesday night through Wednesday morning's commute. TransLink has prepared for snow, but says some buses won't make it. Up steep inclines and poor road conditions could interfere with its schedule. Check your route before you head out and dress warmly for the winter weather.